Good morning. Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. We have a piece of very disturbing news that we are going to talk about when it comes to dealing with the options. All right. And what we're going to talk about is the options market and a piece of legislation, or let's say the administration is trying to come out and raise taxes. The Obama administration has proposed to raise taxes on options market makers. Those are the people that are your buyer and your seller in here. And those are the people that work in the options pit. And basically, this Obama administration has proposed to raise taxes on options market makers by more than 70%, and to eliminate the special tax treatment they've enjoyed for decades. The move would raise $2.6 million in tax revenue over the next 10 years, according to the Treasury Department estimates. But given the important role that market makers play in options, ensuring liquidity by taking the other side of the investor's orders to buy and sell options, the industry is trying to actively kill the administration proposal. The industry fears that the tax, which is garnering more interest given the government's need to raise more tax revenue to finance their irrational spending, could drive some market makers, the key is, could drive some market makers away and make buying and selling options more expensive for investors. This is an idea that's been out there for a while. So basically, we're going to be really keeping our eye on this. I am telling you that the market makers have had this, they're a buyer and a seller, and they take your sales. And the thing about it is, the Obama administration with this tax rates, they did it on the banking system. They did it on all kinds of issues. I'm telling you that this is not good. Now it's attacking, you cannot attack floor traders in the options market. This is a big deal. If you want to learn more about this, come to StockMarketFunding.com. And I just have a Dow chart up here. Here's a market maker. They're a buyer. They're a seller. And this is about the options market. It's about the tax. Did you hear me? And you can't be taxing those people down there. For decades, they've had this luxury of having that cushion with these tax issues and whatnot. So basically, it can be a big problem. And it's all going to be over a 10-year period. But look, raising these taxes 70%, and that the market maker is going to have to pay. Look, this is beyond. And I've sent it to people in their emails this morning, and it's another tax. Obama went out and taxed our banking system. They went after attacking Goldman and Jamie Dimon. The administration had all failures. And now they're coming back. And one thing you won't do, you will not tax Wall Street or our U.S. banking system. And it's another form. You're talking about a 70% tax rate in the options market. And a lot of people don't understand this. And I can tell you right now that this special tax treatment the market makers have had and enjoyed for decades in the options market. There's special taxes, there are buyers, and another thing that you need to know, market makers play a major role ensuring liquidity. That's what they do. And so it's very disturbing. They are going to be fighting it and whatnot. And I'm going to stop the tape once again. It may affect your future going forward. Call us at 702-685-0772 about the options industry. The options market will be very heavily monitoring the Options Council and we will be up to date. I can only tell you, once again, the Obama administration has proposed to raise taxes on options market makers by more than 70%. That's a tax that they have enjoyed for several decades to be a buyer and a seller for us, to provide liquidity for us traders in the options market. Once again, this administration is attacking the system. Again, we'll keep you updated as we move forward over the next couple of months and see where we go with this.